When we speak about the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT 63 Coupe, the first thing that comes to mind is the bold statement it makes in the world of high-performance luxury vehicles. This car isn't just a new model. It represents the next step in Mercedes AMG's continuous pursuit of perfection. It is the result of decades of experience, refinement, and passion for performance, designed to satisfy those who crave brutal power yet refuse to compromise on elegance. From the very first glance, the GT63 Coupe commands attention, not just as another AMG machine, but as the new face of performance coupes in a modern era. Mercedes has once again proven that innovation is not about abandoning tradition, but about building on it and pushing it further than ever before. The introduction of this model is not merely about adding another coupe to the AMG family. It's about redefining what the future of performance looks like when luxury, technology, and speed are combined into a single, unified masterpiece. The GT63 Coupe takes everything enthusiasts loved about its predecessors and evolves it into something sharper, stronger, and more purposeful. It was born from the DNA of motorsport and refined through the lens of luxury lifestyle, making it a car that can dominate the racetrack and yet feel at home gliding through the streets of a modern city. For many, this is what separates Mercedes AMG from everyone else. The ability to create machines that don't just perform, but inspire. From the outside, the car already begins to tell its story. The exterior design is a continuation of AMG's philosophy of sensual purity, yet this coupe adds an even more aggressive stance. With its wider body, lower roofline, and an unmistakable AMG grille, the GT63 Coupe makes it clear it was built to turn heads. Every line is purposeful, sculpted not just for beauty, but for aerodynamic efficiency. The sloping roof flows seamlessly into a muscular rear, while the frameless doors and wide shoulders give it an unmistakable coupe identity. It's not just designed to look stunning. It's crafted to slice through the air with minimal resistance, improving both speed and efficiency. But what truly makes this car's introduction special is the balance it strikes between artistry and engineering. Mercedes AMG has ensured that no detail is overlooked. From its cutting-edge LED lighting signature to the subtle carbon fiber elements embedded throughout the exterior, the GT63 Coupe shows the kind of precision only possible through relentless dedication. The front fascia is bold and assertive, telling the world that this is not just a luxury coupe, it's an AMG. And in that badge lies decades of motorsport pedigree, victories, and innovation. Inside, the story continues with an interior designed to welcome both driver and passengers into an environment of absolute control and comfort. It is here that Mercedes sets the tone for the experience. An ultra-modern cockpit filled with advanced digital displays, handcrafted materials, and ergonomically sculpted seats that provide both comfort for long journeys and support for spirited driving. The MBUX infotainment system integrates seamlessly into the interior, offering a futuristic yet user-friendly environment where technology and luxury coexist perfectly. This combination of digital innovation and handcrafted luxury shows that Mercedes hasn't just created a car, they've created an experience. Yet, the essence of this introduction lies in its purpose. Why build such a machine? Because the 2026 AMG GT63 Coupe is not simply about moving from one place to another. It's about how you feel while doing it. It's about awakening something inside every driver who touches the wheel, reminding them that driving can still be an art form. It represents freedom, power, and elegance, all bundled into a package that feels as comfortable on a race circuit as it does in front of a luxury hotel. For AMG, it's about showing the world that performance and sophistication are not opposites, but partners. As we look at the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 Coupe, it's clear that this model doesn't just arrive as another option in the market. It arrives as a statement. It says that Mercedes AMG is here not only to keep pace with the future, but to shape it. It reminds enthusiasts, collectors, and drivers alike that true automotive excellence lies in the ability to evolve while staying true to one's roots. This introduction is about power meeting beauty, innovation meeting tradition, and passion meeting purpose. That is why the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT 63 Coupe stands not just as a car, but as a symbol of what driving dreams are made of. This is the beginning of a new chapter, and the GT 63 Coupe ensures it starts with power, elegance, and confidence.